Hello, my name's Angelo. Welcome to this PRIER PKn5. That's product knowledge in less than 5 minutes, where we take a deep dive into a particular item or series and not only go over the features and the benefits, but also provide additional resources like the spec sheet, the IOM, and that's installation, operation, and maintenance instructions, a sales flyer, even a 30-second commercial that can help promote the item at hand. This PKn5 is focused on the C-434 Frostproof wall hydrant by PRIER Products. Let's get to the product. Now that we have the C-434 unpacked, you can see what is included with the product. You do get your IOM, you get your product itself. We even include a little tag that details how this product operates because it is unique. In fact, you can easily start to see it doesn't look like any other residential product out in the marketplace today. It also does not operate the same. The typical Frostproof wall hydrant design is going to need the water to leave the pipe to ensure that nothing is left behind to freeze, expand, and rupture the pipe itself. In many applications, that requires you to have nothing connected on the front end of the valve. That means we're removing the hose, we're removing the splitter, we're removing the timers. All that has to be removed to allow the water out. Not with the C-434. The C-434 has a unique design where we put vent holes behind the packing nut. These vent holes allow the valve to seal during operation. So as we turn the product on, the water starts to flow, and there's an O-ring that seals those holes off so you don't have water coming out during operation. You have your flow. As we go to turn the product off, the reverse happens. The valve shuts off in the back, and we've opened these vent holes, allowing the O-ring to travel past, and now any water that may be trapped in the pipe due to something being secured on the spout is now going to drain from the weep holes behind your handle. And that's what our literature that is on the tag that's going to be adhered to the product is trying to dictate for the end user to make sure they are aware. Now, in regards to the appearance of the valve, you'll immediately know the spout's not down below, it's off to the side. It's a side-by-side application to the handle and the spout. You'll also see that the head of the product is a solid brass body and it's satin nickel finish. This enables it to last for years and years and still look great down the line. You'll also notice that we have an integral flange on the back. This integral flange is all one piece, and it also has a pitch built into the flange itself, ensuring that when we mount this to the wall and secure it, your piping actually has a 4-degree pitch, allowing that water to leave the system. We offer several different lengths and connections. We have 10 different connection types ranging from 1/2 inch to 3/4 in varying connections. We can do lengths up to 24 inches as our standard, but we also can do custom. You need a 6-foot length hydrant? PRIER can do that. Just let us know. We'd be happy to apply any different size that works for your application. Now, you'll also notice that there is a soft rubber grip handle on the front. This is a metal handle with a rubber overmold that allows for a soft, easy grip, and our stem that's inside actually with the O-ring provides a smooth operation. And then on the back, it actually has a triple ridge design that ensures that you get a true shut off every time. In regards to code approvals, the last thing we want to ensure is your product is protecting your water supply. We do have an ASSE 1052 P004 vacuum breaker included on your product. This ensures no water goes back into the potable water system, and it also ensures you get no spray back when you turn off your valve. A lot of great things with the C-434. Now that's a lot of information coming at you all at once, and you may ask yourself, what am I supposed to do with it? We'd ask you to share it. Take this information about the C-434 self-draining valve and send it to your customers so they can learn about the Cadillac of frost-proof wall hydrants. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.